Confirm if all accessories are complete and start to install. There is a protective film on the machine, remove or keep it as you like. Place the microdermabrasion handle, the probes into the holder, and diamond tips into the hole. Check the microdermabrasion handle for the pre-installed white rubber ring. If it's missing or damaged, replace it. Connect one end of the hose to the microdermabrasion handle, and the opposite end connects to the machine suction port. Connect the power cord and make it ready for use. Put a cotton filter on the microdermabrasion handle port. Attach the desired diamond tip to the handle. Power on the machine. Adjust the suction intensity to a comfortable level. Test the suction tolerance on your arm first. Put another clean cotton filter on the microdermabrasion handle port. Attach the desired probe to the handle. Adjust the suction intensity to a comfortable level. Test the suction tolerance on your arm first. Power off the machine and disconnect the power cord.